Chick, hindi ka sumali. Kikita mo to, Chick.
Kanta na, Nalin. Ayan na, sabayan mo na.
Meron ba yan?
Just receive the dance, singing on the stage. The guy, all the things that happen.
Sabi mo kay Chick,
Just a single glance, I already know the truth. So delicious to me. What kind of I am satisfied.
Ito talaga pinaka-bet ko, be. Promise.
Hindi grabe. Yan pinaka-bet.
Galing, galing. Ang ganda ng pagkakaano ng lyrics.
Uy, ganyan patience ka.
One box of Crayola.
Hindi, yung memorable talaga siya. Hindi ko siya kabila.
Just a single glance, I become
Near
your
the stage,
It's just
the other guy, all the things that happen.
Just a single glance, you got my attention. From my mind with weather and station. In just a single glance, I already know the truth. So delicious to me, what kind of Crayola. In just a single glance, I am satisfied. In just a
Ang
single
unti ng views niya.
Yan ang ipakalat namin.
Oh,
Benta kasi yung buo sa Chick. Intro pa lang.
Na-share mo na sa episode. Ako naman mag-online. Sabi ko, na-in-love ako sa umaga. Ako na.
Kasi, ikaw, hindi ka na.
Ako na.
Paano? May kachat si Chick.